welcome back to Guys Art. So I didn't post from a while, so I'm really sorry I didn't post on Tuesday. But anyway, I'm back with another video, and today we're gonna be making GIFs or GIFs or whatever you call them, because to be honest, I don't know what, there's a variation of how people call them, GIFs, GIFs, or whatever. So basically, I thought a donut will be really perfect. I'm gonna make like somebody eating the donut, if you guys get what I mean. This step is really optional, but if you want to, you can really just like add some textures on your donuts. It depends on you, but it's like really optional. So now it was time for the frosting, which is like everyone's favorite part. So I used a technical pen to draw the frosting, and went in and cleaned up the edges. So it was time to add the sprinkles, everyone's favorite part. So I of course began with yellow, and then I started on them like green, and then you got like blue, red, maybe sometimes purple, it depends, or pink, it depends too. I just added the basic ones. I didn't really go too crazy with them, and you want to merge everything down, and you're supposed to duplicate everything, but I made it in the wrong way. You're supposed to duplicate the donuts you did once, and then start doing bite marks with the eraser. I used a charcoal 6B pen. I don't really remember what the name was. Yeah, to create that bite looking effect, because it really gave it really nice, texture vibe. And then you're gonna duplicate this again, and then you're gonna do the bite marks again and again and again and again, and like so on. I'm just gonna let you guys see it rather than me talking. So yeah. Okay guys, so once you're done, you're gonna actually make each layer visible again, and then you're gonna go to that hinge in the bottom, on the top, and then export as animated GIF, and export it. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for more videos, and bye.